Welcome back to Auto Car Reviews, in a world where luxury meets heritage, where craftsmanship is an art form, and where prestige is redefined with every innovation. One name stands above all: Rolls-Royce. Today, we unveil the next chapter in the legacy of automotive royalty. This is the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Crown Jewel concept, a vehicle not just built, but crafted, a masterpiece that embodies the elegance of Britain's monarchy and the spirit of modern luxury. Cut to slow-motion pan of the car, revealing its glossy diamond-encrusted Spirit of Ecstasy emblem, followed by a seamless transition to the front grille, a shimmering vision of polished metal and precision craftsmanship. Very Rolls-Royce Phantom is a statement of success, of power, and of a life well lived. But the crown jewel concept is something beyond that. It is a testament to timeless elegance, designed to honor the United Kingdom's royal heritage. This concept is not just a luxury sedan, it is a rolling palacia where innovation meets the grandeur of British nobility. Scene transition, aerial shot of the crown jewel concept gliding through the streets of London, its mirror-like bodywork reflecting the lights of the city. Start with the exterior. Every curve, every line, every detail has been meticulously sculpted to embody sophistication. The bespoke chrome-finished Pantheon grille, a hallmark of Rolls-Royce, stands tall, commanding presence and respect. Inspired by the royal crown itself, the grille integrates intricate gold filigree patterns, representing centuries of regal tradition. Close-up, the Spirit of Ecstasy, now set in pure platinum with a delicate inset of blue sapphires, symbolizing the British monarchy. His is no ordinary ornament. The Spirit of Ecstasy in the crown jewel concept is adorned with hand-selected, ethically sourced diamonds and sapphires, making it one of the most valuable automotive emblems ever created. But beyond its grandeur, it serves as a symbol, a beacon of Rolls-Royce's unwavering commitment to perfection. Cut to the side profile of the vehicle, showcasing its stretched silhouette, seamlessly floating along the road. The 2025 Phantom Crown Jewel features an extended wheelbase, ensuring an even more stately presence on the road. The bodywork is finished in an exclusive majestic midnight paint, a deep obsidian black infused with microscopic platinum flakes, creating an effect that shimmers under different lighting conditions, just like the jewels in the British Crown collection. Scene transition, close-up of the door handles, revealing the gold-plated touch-sensitive entry system. With a simple touch, the doors open in a silent, graceful motion, welcoming passengers into a realm of unparalleled luxury. Cut to the interior, where hand-stitched leather, hand-polished wood veneers, and custom-commissioned art pieces set a new standard in automotive craftsmanship. Step inside, and you are immediately enveloped in an atmosphere of royal splendor. Every material used in the crown jewel concept has been hand-selected to reflect Britain's noble legacy. The seats, upholstered in the finest Arctic white leather, feature gold thread embroidery, meticulously woven to depict the United Kingdom's royal crest. Close-up, the Starlight headliner, now enhanced with real diamond dust, creating a celestial display unlike anything seen before. Both, a new dimension of Rolls-Royce's signature Starlight headliner, comes to life. For the first time ever, real diamond dust has been integrated into the fabric, producing an authentic starry night effect that shifts and glows as the car moves. Scene transition, the dashboard, where a fully digital, eye-enhanced display emerges from behind handcrafted crystal panels. Innovation is at the heart of this masterpiece. The Phantom Crown Jewel concept introduces a next-generation eye concierge, designed to anticipate and cater to every passenger's desire. Whether it's adjusting the mood lighting, selecting a bespoke perfume scent, or even suggesting custom travel routes based on the owner's preferences, this eye elevates luxury to a whole new level. Close-up, the bespoke champagne compartment, revealing a one-of-a-kind crystal decanter set. Every journey deserves a toast. That's why Rolls-Royce has partnered with Britain's most exclusive crystal artisans to craft a hand-cut lead crystal decanter in champagne flutes, discreetly housed in a temperature-controlled compartment within the rear cabin. Scene transition, whisper quiet engine start-up, followed by an ultra-smooth takeoff. Powering the crown jewel concept is a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12, refined to whisper quiet perfection. But for the first time, Rolls-Royce introduces an electric driving mode, allowing for a completely silent, zero-emission driving experience when desired. This is not just luxury, it's the future of sustainable opulence. Scene transition. The crown jewel concept arrives at a prestigious event, with a chauffeur opening the doors for an elegantly dressed VIP. A car like this isn't just honeyed, it is experienced. The crown jewel concept is not meant for the ordinary, it is reserved for those who appreciate the finest things in life. Each model will be hand-built to order, with every detail customized to its owner's precise specifications. Scene transition. A slow-motion reveal of the gold-plated crown jewel insignia, delicately engraved onto the rear pillar. This is more than a Rolls-Royce. This is a legacy, a crown jewel in its own right. A car that will be remembered for generations. A car that defines what it means to be truly royal. Final shot. The crown jewel concept cruising into the horizon, the last rays of sunlight reflecting off its polished surface. 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Crown Jewel Concept. The ultimate expression of luxury, the epitome of prestige. A masterpiece fit for kings and queens.